You will learn Industry 4.0 assessment, upgrading, readiness for the successful implementation of smart manufacturing, IoT, Internet of Things, automation, robotics, digitally connected factory, people talent readiness, rising labor cost and shortage of skilled labor, high dependency on foreign labor, how to create a strong process and people foundation to successfully apply the requirements of the factory of the future.
Welcome to our special interview session today. We are very happy to have with us Dr. Azlan Nithia. He is a very experienced industry expert with more than 35 years of experience in lean and smart manufacturing and successful implementation of Industry 4.0 to achieve a digitally connected factory of the future. Dr. Azlan have authored 2 books. First one is titled Transitioning into New Manufacturing Paradigm, and second one is titled Achieve Manufacturing Excellence and Lean Smart Manufacturing. Dr. Azlan, we are glad to have you here with us today to talk about smart manufacturing and Industry 4.0 successful implementation.
Thank you for having me here.
So Dr. Nithya, I would like to start from the basic. Can you explain what Industry 4.0 is, or were there any earlier industrial revolution?
We are in an era of significant digital transformation, especially the way we produce products and advanced digitization of the manufacturing industries. This important digital transition that integrates many other digital technologies like artificial intelligence, big data analytics, human and robot integration, and many more. This is what we call the Industry 4.0, which is also called the Fourth Industrial Revolution. The Fourth Industrial Revolution is the era of mechanical systems that was powered by steam engines and mechanical movements. The Second Industrial Revolution, we saw many inventions that changed the industry very rapidly. The introduction of mass production assembly lines using electric motors, trains, telephones, and many more. The Third Industrial Revolution is the application of computers, IT systems, high performance semiconductors, PLCs, and advanced mobile phones, WhatsApp, WeChat, the internet banking, mobile networks got faster and faster from 3G, went to 4G, high-speed electric trains, and the introduction of automation and robotics. This is the era where customer responsiveness, lead time reduction, lower cost, better quality, and to be highly customer-centric was extremely important. The Fourth Industrial Revolution is the advancement of the Third Industrial Revolution. So the Fourth Industrial Revolution is the convergence towards the digital cyber systems, started creating advanced digital and also intelligent technological innovations that is disrupting the manufacturing industries and the total supply chain. It is about creating the whole digital ecosystem that is powered by smart and autonomous digital systems, big data analytics, machine learning, connectivity of multiple subsystems, machine learning with smart decisions, which drives a lot more intelligent business decisions as well, autonomous robots, and so on. So it is an extremely exciting digital era that is happening now.
So is Industry 4.0 impacting the manufacturing industry?
Yes, it is actually impacting in a very big way. We must reimagine manufacturing. The Internet of Things, or IoT platforms being deployed to digitize the end-to-end supply chain, the big data analytics, the machine learning, and the digital connectivity is rapidly changing the requirements and the capabilities of the manufacturing industry. The manufacturing industry must quickly embrace these digital applications and transition into smart manufacturing by applying the digital technologies of Industry 4.0 to achieve the status of connected factory of the future. The digital technology and customer or consumer preference are pushing the applications or the companies to develop a lot more innovative smart solutions in the product at a lower cost to meet the evolving customer demands. One example is the car industry, the self-driving cars, right? It will be driven without drivers, and it can park by itself on its own and in very tight spots, right? And the Industry 4.0 is the future. Every manufacturing company must quickly embrace and transition into the digital era.
So, what are the kind of transformations does Industry 4.0 offer?
Okay, what has happened in the past 2 to 3 years is that there have been an exponential development in digital technologies, and these have greatly changed the consumer preferences and demands. This have led to a rapid transformation of how smart products are designed, manufactured, used, as well as how they are maintained and serviced. So transformation in manufacturing operations, processes, supply chain management, energy footprint of factories by applying Industry 4.0 is about making better things while making things better. So the manufacturing factories around the world are now challenged for immediate transition or to get eliminated. This is really serious. Smart manufacturing is rapidly changing the traditional manufacturing system into a digitally connected manufacturing model with digital ecosystems involving the suppliers, the producers, the customers. The digital technology adoption and integration will transform all manufacturing related industries. The heart of smart manufacturing is the set of rapidly evolving and converging digital technologies. These are also pushing the boundaries of advanced material sciences, what we can manufacture by using the technology of additive manufacturing and also the development of advanced special materials.
So what is actually going on with the Industry 4.0?
The advancement in new technologies enabling richer insights through big data analytics. They are blurring the lines between physical and digital realms through rich simulations and augmented reality. They are enhancing human capacity through artificial intelligence and autonomous robots. We are also seeing a big shift in the way information technology is being used through cloud computing and the system integration of Internet of Things or IoT. Cybersecurity plays an important role in ensuring information and manufacturing systems are protected by cybercrime threats. When computer and mini processors was introduced during the Industry 3.0 or the third industrial revolution, it was actually a disruptive invention. It created new opportunities and new technologies. Now transitioning into the future with Industry 4.0, high-speed computers are digitally connected and they communicate smartly with one another and ultimately make autonomous decisions without human intervention or involvement. A combination of cyber-physical systems, the Internet of Things, and the Internet of Systems, digital technologies makes it possible to implement the connected smart manufacturing factories. The support and the usage of robots and smart automations that keep getting smarter to access and process much bigger data. Our factories will become a lot more efficient, productive, and also become globally competitive. Ultimately, it's the network of these machines that are digitally connected that creates a smart output decisions, data, and results in optimizing the true power of Industry 4.0 application.
So, do you think every manufacturing company will accept this new digital change?
Yeah, many organizations are still in denial about the application of Industry 4.0 or how it could impact their business, or struggling to find the people, skill, and the talent or the knowledge to best adopt Industry 4.0 for their unique cases. But many others are already busy implementing and preparing for the future where smart manufacturing will improve their business and customer competitiveness in driving costs and lead time down. Many companies around the world have already started enjoying the benefits of Industry 4.0. The connected machines collect a tremendous amount of data, what we call the big data analysis, that can be analyzed to make smarter decisions in manufacturing, to identify patterns and insights that would be impossible for a human to do. Industry 4.0 offers the opportunity for manufacturers to optimize the operations smartly.
So, what is your experience and challenges that you faced while implementing Industry 4.0?
A case study by using the data from sensors in its equipment was actually in one of the African industry, in a gold mine. Okay, it was a very interesting article talking about how the problem was identified with the oxygen levels during the leaching. They were able to fix it. As a result of and as a result, they also increased the yield of the company by almost 4%, and which also saved the company almost $20 million annually because of the ability to extract data and where the data was used to make the smart decision. Next is from my own personal experience of implementing a smart manufacturing and also Industry 4.0 digital technology application in my own factory. It's a digitally connected, automated, robotic operation, self-managed, and it's a world-class manufacturing system, I should say, where we were able to reduce the product cost down by almost 40%, reduce the lead time by 50%, increase the output of our product by 45%, and also we reduced the labor needs by more than 30%. So you can see the extreme benefit of Industry 4.0 and smart manufacturing. The challenges are creating the people, skills, and talent. We must transform our people. This is the key. Right? It's the key. The learning culture and the ability to adopt and implement is extremely crucial. Next is the predictability and the consistency of our current process, especially the machines that we have in our factory. So operationalizing TPM is an important foundation to ensure zero machine breakdowns, right? And also zero defects. So once we have talented people and capable process, then comes the technology implementation, the application of Industry 4.0. So smart manufacturing and application of Industry 4.0 requires the people and process foundation, and this can only be achieved by deploying lean manufacturing and TPM.
So, what if company wants to manufacture in their old way and not wanting to transition into the new way?
It is very important that we understand the vital foundation requirements that must be operationalized. Lean manufacturing and the TPM to ensure zero machine breakdowns, zero defects, learning culture, the agile workforce, the culture of continuous improvement. Therefore, it is important to assess the current manufacturing capabilities of the company, upgrade the people and the processes, and then get into smart manufacturing industry 4.0. Digitally connecting poor performing machines or processes is like connecting waste. You know, you're actually wasting your capital investment. And this is where a lot of companies will lose confidence in industry 4.0. So it is key to have well-trained and talented people, followed by reliable manufacturing processes, and then implementing the new technologies. The companies, especially the SMEs, need help to transition. The government policies and programs are not good enough to create this transition in SMEs. We need capable and very experienced agencies or companies with the right experience to help the industry and SMEs. Without this right support and help, the traditional companies will be very reluctant to transition, and also they will be afraid of failures because of the investment that is involved and the difficulty that is involved. So the digital transformation and industrial IoT, or the Internet of Things, or the industrial IoT, will allow the emergence of new manufacturing capabilities, and it will eliminate those companies that don't transition to smart manufacturing. So the time is to start now. Do it now or get eliminated.
Thank you so much, Dr. Azlan, for sharing your experiences in smart manufacturing and Industry 4.0. I'm sure our viewers will have a better knowledge on implementing Industry 4.0. We wish you a good luck on your upcoming International Smart Manufacturing Conference 4.0, which is going to be held in Malaysia. Thank you.
Thank you.